पोलियो इंजेक्शन देता है जी। जब पोलियो इंजेक्शन दिए बाद थोड़ा वीक हुआ बोले तो रायचूर को जाकर बताए तो उन्हें एक्सरे स्कैनिंग कर को हार्ट का वास्ते बोल को बेंगलुरु को जाना बोले। इधर आको स्कैनिंग एक्सरे कराए बाद ऑपरेशन करना बोले।
We are happy to say that we are ready to discharge a 4-month-old child who came to us with difficulty in breathing and difficulty in feeding, and patient was having respiratory distress.
When baby's tissues or body is not able to meet the oxygen requirement, so baby starts breathing more. So that's called respiratory distress. So when the baby came to us, baby was already in distress. Baby's saturation was around 75 to 80%. Normally it should be more than 95.
It was a complex congenital heart disease which is called as total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, in which the pulmonary veins that connects the lung and the heart are anomalously connected to a systemic vein.
In a normal scenario, a complex cardiac problem is difficult to be treated. Now this child has been born in the corona pandemic, and this child is having a complex congenital heart disease in which there is an abnormal drainage of blood from the lungs into the other side of the chamber, which is not normal, which is not compatible with life.
So this baby had to be operated immediately after the birth, but they had delayed it because of lack of diagnosis, lack of knowledge from the parents' side to find out, and lack of facilities at their hometown.
Baby had financial constraints, so we had to do some funding for the baby. So after all that planning and organization, we took up the baby after 5 to 6 days of admission.
Having to operate on this child was a difficult task, is because it's not the surgical part alone, it is the post-surgical care that is required for the baby.
When there is some abnormality in the normal way the heart is made for the normal child, then many a times it becomes incompatible with life. So a child cannot grow normally, cannot feed normally, cannot take the mother's milk. If a baby is not able to drink mother's milk, how is the baby going to grow? Then there's some infection coming up, lung problem coming up. A lot of children die like this. So India is having a high number of congenital heart diseases, children being born with heart problems.
So this was a 4-month-old baby who had come to us with a complex congenital heart disease. She was struggling to eat, struggling to breathe. So she was blue when she came to us because of low oxygen levels in her body.
Blue baby, medically we call it as a cyanosis, is the term that is given to bluish discoloration of the toes and the fingers, as well as the lips and the tongue. The connection between the left side of the heart and the lung is anomalous. So this baby was blue in color, had a difficulty in breathing.
Baby had lot of financial constraints, so after a lot of discussions and planning, we finally decided to operate the baby. So with God's grace, surgery went uneventful, and baby had a very smooth first 2 post-operative days, and baby started becoming pink, because after the surgery the oxygen levels in the body started improving.
We operated this child, and this child came out of the ventilator successfully very early. Usually these children require ventilator support for quite some number of time. They go in with a tracheostomy or etc. They go in a tracheostomy because they require prolonged ventilation.
But after 2 days, baby had a stormy post-operative course. Baby started having seizures, and baby had a cardiac arrest. We could resuscitate the baby.
And after that the baby came again. The same day the baby recovered well. We were able to take out the ventilator. There was only one ventilator. Now ventilators are required during corona. So there was a situation when we had to keep this ventilator standby for this child. So the doctor said, no sir, we can't. Dr. Bhavya said, no sir, this child requires us, our child She said this is the words. This our child requires a ventilator. We require the ventilator to keep standby. We cannot risk our child by giving that ventilator for this much amount of time.
So now on 15th post-operative day, we are discharging the baby. We are really delightful to see the baby who is normally breathing, normally feeding.
This child came to us from Raichur, not from exactly Raichur, some village, Manvi. There's some taluk called Manvi, and not even in taluk, 20 kilometers away there's a village. In that village we had operated on some lady. Son of that lady is a very close friend of this man, and luckily this man was being able to be directed to us. And very incidentally, that lady's name is Lakshmi, and this baby's name is Fayaz. And that son of Lakshmi he is also a daily wage worker. He has gone and done arti in a temple. He has gone and participated in Muharram, which was just 2-3 days back, and he's spent a lot of money from his pocket to participate in all these things. And they're all praying. The whole village apparently praying for this child. I don't know how many people will be knowing in our team, but apparently the whole village is praying in the temple, in the mosque, and everybody. The village has got that heart. That heart has to be transferred to the society, and that heart has to come to the medical profession also together. And when we contribute, when we work like that with a lot of heart, things change. There's so many things which we can change and so many nice things which occur.
हमारा नाम सलीम है साहब, रायचूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट मानवी तालुक साहब और नस्लापुर खेड़ा गांव साहब हमारा.
We had to explain them the perioperative complications and perioperative mortality for this baby. So we had to take the consent for a high risk mortality.
ऑपरेशन बोले ना जी, छोटा बच्चा हुआ सबसे थोड़ा डरा है. बोले तो सभी डॉक्टर सभी अल्लाह रहा सर का ना, उन्होंने बोले बाद हमें क्या कर सकते हैं. उसको हंसते सभी डॉक्टर के ऊपर अल्लाह के ऊपर भरोसा छोड़ को अच्छा होते बोल दो.
हमें क्या बोला सब, हमें डिस्कशन करको फिर करना सब बच्चे को फिर वैसे ले गए तो फिर बच्चे को बाद में बहुत तकलीफ हो जाता. अभी करो सब अल्लाह रखे ना, हमें बोले सब बोले तो फिर उन्होंने कर दिया सब अल्लाह रखे ना. तो हमें बड़ा ऑपरेशन है वह करते करेंगे क्या, थोड़ा तुम्हें अल्लाह से दुआ करो तुम्हें.
The special thing about this many heart conditions such as these are, once the child is operated, the child becomes normal, and then they come back to us 30 years afterwards. Some of them are we have seen lot of patients operated 30 years back. They are doing very well. They have gone abroad, they are married, they are having children, they are leading a productive life. I think it's our duty as a society, not only as an individual, to take care of the children of the society, to give them good health care, to give them good future. Every cardiac problem which can be treated needs to be treated. I think it's our moral obligation in a society, and it's not just as a cardiac surgeon. It is like with a cardiac surgeon, the society together, the hospital structure, the government, the child, the parent. From a single child, we start taking care of things like that. A healthy child is an index of how a nation is growing and how a society is taking care of its children. This is a very important factor that we need to take care of.
We thank Almighty that He has given us opportunity to serve this needy child.
There's a lot of heart in the society, it just needs to be connected. We need to be connected basically. So when we are able to be connected, wonders can happen.